You're listening to Independent TV 7. Kindly click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Independent TV 7. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon to get more notification. Thanks for watching. Yeah, this just coming in, to our, reports table that Nnamdi KANU sues Kenya over extradition to Nigeria. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi KANU, has sued Kenya over his extradition to Nigeria. The pro-Biafra activist brother, Kingsley Kanunta, sued on his behalf, according to court papers obtained by our correspondent. In his petition presented by Luchiri and Company advocates, Kanu argued that his arrest in Kenya and subsequent extradition to Nigeria in June were unconstitutional. Those named as respondents are Kenya's Interior CS, Director of Immigration, Director of Criminal Investigations, OCPD, Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, and the Attorney General. Nigerian officials on June 29 claimed that Kanu was brought back to face trial after he jumped bail and went on the run in 2017. The petition revealed that Kanu was in Kenya to seek medical attention for a heart challenge and for indigenous people of Biafra related work. It further revealed that the agitator arrived at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in May from Kigali, Rwanda, on East African tourist visa. It further said that Kanu went to the airport on June 19th to pick someone but never returned to his residence, a Purple Ace apartment on Kitale Lane. The subject is believed to have been apprehended at the airport on June 19, 2021 and unlawfully detained for several days, after which he was illegally and stealthily extradited or kidnapped to Nigeria without his British passport in utter non-compliance with laid-down processes of laws in Kenya, the petition added. While faulting Kanu's extradition to Nigeria, the petition said the subject, who is Kanu, is a British citizen resident in the UK, United Kingdom. It argued that Kanu's extradition from Nairobi to Abuja in June violated the Extradition and Contagious and Foreign Countries Act, Chapter 76 of the laws of Kenya. He formerly held Nigerian citizens but renounced it in 2015. Consequently, his Nigerian passport was taken away from him by Nigerian authorities. This is an highlight that he did not even travel to Kenya with his Nigerian passport. Rather, he traveled to Kenya with his tourist passport and also a UK or British passport. Which it has been argued that Kanu's extradition from Nairobi to Abuja in June violated the Extradition, Contiguous and Foreign Countries Act, Chapter 76 of the laws of Kenya. Yes, this news should have been in place, for a while or since before now, because the rate and manner at which Nnamdi KANU was brought back to Nigeria was unlawful. Because we can't even say Kanu was arrested, because they told us Kanu has been rearrested in Kenya. How did they come about the arrest? Because as it is, the rate and manner, or the way and manner in which Kanu was brought back to Nigeria, it's a kidnap. For you to have held Kanu hostage for several days before, covering his face, marking him, and more or less like kidnapping it from Kenya down to Nigeria. If Kanu did not, offend Kenya, so there is no way Kanu should have been, kidnapped in Kenya and sent back to Nigeria. Well, I would say this case file should have been up, or should have been brought up, ever since, between Nigeria and Kenya. The same people, or the so-called people who brought Kanu from Kenya, would be arrested, also to court, and also those that were involved in Nigeria also should also be arrested, and also they should be charged to court. Kanu, in the petition, asked the court to declare his extradition a violation of the fundamental rights and freedoms to equal protection of the law, human dignity, freedom and security, freedom of movement, fair administrative action, access to justice, the right to be represented in court, and a fair hearing as guaranteed in the Constitution of Kenya. He also sought an order for exemplary and punitive damages against the respondents on account of their gross violation of the subject's fundamental freedoms and rights as enumerated in the petition. He further requested a declaration that detaining the subject without justification and without informing him of the reasons for the detention, holding him incommunicado in deplorable and inhuman conditions, was a violation of rights protected by the Constitution. Yes, the court also was asked to issue an order compelling the respondent to furnish him or to remind him or to tell him with the designations and ranks of state officer, public officer, police officer, agencies and departments, institutions and organs of government involved in his extradition. Well, these are the issues on ground, that how can a full-grown human being be rearrested or be put behind. I wouldn't know what they used in conveying Nnamdi KANU down to Nigeria, but the truth of the matter is the government of Kenya and the government of Nigeria, or those that were sent to perpetrate such acts to violate such human rights, would also go down for it, because as it is, you don't extradite somebody without his permission, or rather without a warrant of arrest, or faking permission in a layman English. If you want to arrest somebody, or better still, you want to extradite somebody from a country to another, number one, there should be a treaty, which simply means there should be an agreement, an extradition agreement between that country and the correspondent country. Now, Kenya does not have a treaty or an agreement of extradition with Nigeria. That is number one, violation. Number two, Nnamdi KANU was not informed and was not told what charges they laid against him. If truly the Nigerian government, who were looking for Nnamdi KANU to be extradited, they would have issued him an arrest warrant, and meanwhile it wasn't supposed to be in Kenya. It should be that they should have sent a indictment, a letter to the government of British where he resides, and thirdly, they violated Nnamdi KANU human fundamental rights by kidnapping, maiming and smuggling him all the way from Kenya down to Nigeria. So many forth is undergoing or has undergone, with this act that was carried out in Kenya, especially or specifically. So, in the other hand of Nigeria, Malami should also be sued, because he was the first to announce, officially, that Nnamdi KANU has been rearrested. So, on what basis was he rearrested? How was he arrested? So those are the questions the court will be asking Malami and his court, because he was one that gave the statement that Nnamdi KANU has been rearrested because he jumped bail. And the reason why Nnamdi KANU also jumped bail would also be heard in the court. Yes, this is what we heard, that Nnamdi KANU has sued Kenya government. Yes, let's see how it goes. Well, this is Independent TV 7. I would like you to share your views over the comment section. Thanks for listening, and God bless you.